Okay, it says the function h is defined by this formula. Find h prime of x equal 3. So this is going to require a derivative using the quotient rule. So take the bottom, multiply by the derivative of the top, minus the top, multiplied by the derivative of the bottom, divided by the bottom squared. You don't have to do this. Now we've got to go find h prime of 3. Just that was 2 points. So that's why you always are writing, because if you're reading and writing, you're likely earning points. Once you stop writing, you stalled. It's time to move on. So we plug in an x value of 3. For every x. I ended up using this one, so I plugged in a 3 here. That's why the 3 is being squared, times the 25. I do have to get rid of any function notation, so I've got to find g prime of 3. So I remember that this is a graph of g prime. So g prime of 3 is right here, which I actually had to find earlier. That's negative 2. So when x is 3, y here is negative 2. So g prime of 3 is negative 2. This was 15. Minus g of 3. That was found in part A to be 9. If you were unsuccessful with part A, you probably could just tell them, I'm going to assume that g of 3 is something, and then I think they'd still give you the point. You should stop at the green box. You shouldn't go further. That's finding h prime of 3. And that's worth 3 total points. 2 points for just the quotient rule. That was easy. And then 1 point for this green box.